Assalamu alaikum kids! Welcome back to Learn Arabic with me, and today we are going to learn some few phrases in Arabic. Today we are going to teach ourselves about forms of transport, which in Arabic we say wasailun naql, and we are going to start with daraja. Daraja, bicycle. Daraja, bicycle. Darajatun nariya, motorcycle. Darajatun nariya, motorcycle. Sayyara, car. Sayyara, car. Hafila, bus. Hafila, bus. Qitar, train. Qitar, train. Safina, ship. Safina, ship. Qarib, boat. Qarib, boat. Ta'ira, airplane. Ta'ira, airplane. Now that you are done mentioning, let's repeat together. Daraja, bicycle. Daraja, bicycle. Darajatun nariya, motorcycle. Darajatun nariya, motorcycle. Sayyara, car. Sayyara, car. Hafila, bus. Hafila, bus. Qitar, train. Qitar, train. Safina, ship. Safina, ship. Qarib, boat. Qarib, boat. Ta'ira, airplane. Ta'ira, airplane. Alhamdulillah, we are done with our today's lesson. Let's meet on the next lesson. Ma'assalam.